Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 2, Category Strategy for Sourcing, Lesson 1, Introduction to Category Management. Introduction to Category Management. In the previous section, we discussed the different types of products and services a company can buy. But how does a company decide the best way to buy them all? Buying office stationery is very different from buying computer servers or marketing services. You wouldn't use the same approach for everything, right? This is where category management comes in. It's a structured way to organize your sourcing efforts to be more efficient and strategic. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define category management and its purpose. Explain why companies use category management instead of decentralized, transactional buying. Identify what a category is and provide simple examples. Understand the key benefits of a category management approach. 1. What is category management? Imagine you are responsible for all the groceries for a large summer camp. Instead of just buying things randomly as people ask for them, we need ketchup. We ran out of plates. You would likely group similar items together. You might have a group for condiments, ketchup, mustard, mayo, another for disposable tableware, plates, cups, napkins, and another for fresh produce, vegetables, fruit. This act of grouping similar items and then creating a plan for how to buy the whole group is, in essence, category management. Formal definition. Category management is a strategic approach to procurement where an organization groups its spend on related products or services into specific categories. A cross-functional team then manages each category as a strategic business unit, with the goal of maximizing value and minimizing risk, rather than just focusing on the lowest price for individual items. Key takeaway. It shifts the focus from transactional buying, placing many small, unconnected orders, to strategic sourcing, managing groups of spend to achieve long-term goals. 2. Why is category management important? The before and after. To understand its value, let's look at how buying often happens without category management. The old way, decentralized and transactional. A marketing manager needs a new graphic design project. They know a freelancer, so they just hire them. No contract, no set rates. An office manager is low on paper. They order it from the local office supply store at full price. An engineer needs a specific machine part. They find a supplier online and buy it. The result? The company has dozens of different suppliers for similar things, pays different prices, has no control over quality, and misses out on potential bulk discounts. It's chaotic and inefficient. The category management way, centralized and strategic. Now, the same company adopts category management. They look at all their spending and group it. They create a category called marketing services. Now, when someone needs a graphic designer, they don't just find anyone. They work with the category team that has already researched the market, negotiated rates with a few pre-approved design agencies, and set up a simple process to order work. They're getting better quality, a consistent price, and it's easier for everyone. 3. What is a category? A category is a group of related products or services that serve a similar purpose or come from similar types of suppliers. The goal is to group things that can be sourced in a similar way. Think of it like this. You group your spending into buckets to manage them better. Common examples of categories. Category name what's inside. Examples: IT hardware, laptops, desktop computers, monitors, servers, printers. Professional services management consultants, legal advisors, accountants, marketing agencies. Facilities management cleaning services, security guards, waste disposal, landscaping. Office supplies paper, pens, staplers, printer toner, post-it notes. Travel airline tickets, hotel bookings, rental cars. Raw materials steel, plastic pellets, lumber, chemicals used in manufacturing. MRO, maintenance, repair, and operations. Spare parts for machines, light bulbs, tools, lubricants. 4. The core benefits of category management. Adopting this approach brings significant advantages to an organization. Cost savings. By looking at the total spend in a category, e.g., all the money spent on travel, a company has much more power to negotiate better rates with airlines and hotels. You can't get a good deal by booking one flight at a time. Improved efficiency. Instead of everyone in the company finding their own suppliers, category management creates standard processes. This saves time for employees and reduces maverick spending, people buying outside of the approved process. Stronger supplier relationships. You move from having 50 different office supply vendors to having 1 or 2 strategic partners. This allows you to build a real relationship, leading to better service, reliability, and collaboration on new ideas. Risk management. A category team understands the risks in their market. For example, the raw materials team knows if there's a global shortage of steel and can develop a plan to secure supply before it becomes a crisis for the whole company. Deeper market expertise. The people managing the hardware category become experts in that specific market. They know the trends, the key suppliers, and the best pricing models, which brings immense value to the company. Summary. Category management is a strategic way of organizing your company's spending by grouping similar products or services. It moves an organization away from chaotic, decentralized buying toward a planned, strategic approach. A category is a logical group of items, such as hardware, professional services, or travel. The main benefits include significant cost savings, greater efficiency, better supplier relationships, improved risk management, and specialized market knowledge. In the next lesson, we will explore the step-by-step process a team follows to develop a strategy for a specific category. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.